You have been taught to chase control. But that's what's been controlling you. The more you try to hold life still, the more it slips through your fingers. Epictetus, as retold by Sharon Lebell, whispered that peace isn't found in power, but in surrender. You can't command events, only your response. What happens when you stop wrestling with the storm and simply stand in the rain? Some things are yours, your will, your thoughts, your choices. Everything else belongs to fate. When you confuse the two, suffering begins. The world owes you nothing, yet offers you everything to practice clarity. Can you tell where your power ends and acceptance begins? Your real enemy isn't chaos, it's the story you tell about it. Fear feeds on interpretation. Pain multiplies in imagination. When you learn to pause between what happens and what you think it means, you begin to see life as it is, not as you wish it to be. Still, can you sit with that silence long enough to hear yourself? Nothing is ever truly taken. It only returns to where it came from. That cup, that friend, that love, all borrowed from nature's hand. Care deeply, but hold lightly. When loss comes, remember, you were never its owner, only its witness. What if letting go is the truest form of keeping? Real strength is gentle. It's the ability to stand calm while others shout. Epictetus called this inner freedom. The power no tyrant can touch. You don't need to win the world's approval. You need only keep your character intact. Would you still choose virtue if no one were watching? Events are mirrors, never enemies. They reveal the shape of your thinking. When insulted, when praised, when ignored, life simply holds up a reflection. You decide what shows. Could every irritation be a quiet invitation to grow? Each moment is training. Each thought, a weight lifted or dropped. Virtue isn't a theory, it's repetition. The mind becomes steady through small, unseen choices. Tomorrow's peace depends on today's practice. What will you rehearse when no one else is listening? Freedom isn't escaping the world. It's belonging to it, without needing control. When you stop demanding that life obey you, you start to flow with it. Epictetus would smile here. You've learned that acceptance is not defeat, it's dignity. And that truth keeps unfolding. You began believing freedom meant power. Now you see, power means peace. The art of living is not to conquer life, but to cooperate with it. What happens, happens for you, not to you. The circle closes where it began. Control nothing, and you'll lose nothing worth keeping.